What's up, guys? Welcome back to 513 Garage. I'm here with Michael.
What's up?
We're about to shoot a video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the daily. If you don't know, it's a 2010 Ford F-150 STX. It's rear-wheel drive. I tried recording a video, but I forgot to turn my microphone on, so hopefully this works. But this used to be just a big empty hole, and I put in, it's like 20 bucks off of Amazon, this little metal bracket. It just kind of fills in the space. I think it took us maybe 5 minutes to install it. It was really easy. All you had to do was pop the hood, and then there were 2 tabs on the inside. You just put 2 clips and 2 screws, and it's held in place. So we got that done. I might get a different grill, I don't know. On the interior, last night my girlfriend hand sewed this leather steering wheel cover on. I think she did a great job. It took her, I think, 2 hours. Just because I don't know, it just took a while to sew the entire thing. But I think she did a great job on that, so props to her. The only other difference other than that is I put a license plate frame on. Got my Instagram down at the bottom. If you're not following me, go ahead and do that. I post a ton of pictures of the Z's, or of the Z. And then up top here we got Good Enough Garage, because you always got to rep the family. That license plate frame was 3D printed by my buddy Tyler. He owns Mach 3 Modeling on Instagram. If you guys want to go check him out, I'll put his Instagram right here. So definitely go check him out if you guys ever need anything like 3D printed. He can pretty much do anything. So yeah, shoot him a DM and he can get something going for you. But me and Michael are now about to go shoot a video inside the shop. He's all the way down there. Right there. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. So I guess I will update you guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So a little change of plans. I know we just got to the shop, but now we're leaving. Should I tell them what we're doing? Yeah. We're gonna go record a 0 to 60 time in Michael's Mustang. So we're heading to Mexico right now.
Yep.
And then
about to cross the border right now.
Yeah, we're crossing the border right now, actually. And then we're gonna rip it. So yeah, I will update you guys in a minute.
First 0 to 60 we got. I'm gonna try to launch it a little bit, but not too hard.
Alright, what's up, guys? We just made a couple little edit videos, and Michael did a 0 to 60 in Mexico.
And a flyby.
And a flyby. We just recorded that.
With the new tune.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. That felt pretty good.
So tell them, you already made a video of what kind of tune it is and everything. Yeah. So go over your whole exhaust setup.
So I got the pipes, off-road X pipes. So that means I have no catalytic converters. Those are going to go into the SLP loudmouths. So it's almost straight piped, basically. There's no mufflers, resonators, or cats. So yeah, at times it kind of sounds, like I said in other videos, like a truck, but it sounds pretty good when you get on it as well. It's more in the low RPMs, like, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah.
Do you plan on keeping this exhaust set up, or?
No, so I eventually want to go with the Corsa Extremes. I've always wanted those. I've just been too cheap to get them, and I kind of wanted some a little bit louder than what I had before, which were the Borla mufflers. So I want the SLPs because they're cheap and loud. But I'm eventually just gonna go with the Corsa Extremes, probably when I do cams and headers. Oh, that brake does not sound good.
Oh.
But yeah, I don't know.
Michael really needs to replace his brake pads and rotors because his back right rotor grinds because there's like no pad left. So I keep telling him, I keep getting on him to get it done and replace it, but oh well, race car life. You break stuff.
Yeah, true. I'm surprised I didn't break anything today. Good job.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna be heading back to the shop now. Not really sure what we're gonna do there, but
That's probably the end of this video.
yeah, we'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know.
Next video, we're gonna get John's car out there and do some 0 to 60s.
Yeah, we'll see.
But I don't know. The Mexico cops are kind of cool, so you shouldn't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
But yeah. Let us know what you guys think. Other than that,